Hey everybody, it's Gordy. I just wanted to go ahead and shoot a quick video while I was in the middle of doing this to let you know I don't just talk a bunch of stuff about doing stuff. That right there is, I don't know, 35-ish pounds of lima beans. And that bucket right there is full of 34 pounds of red beans, which is what those are right there. Hopefully that'll focus. And then you see I've got this stack of buckets over here. That right there is the red beans. There's 100 pounds of rice going to go in those buckets. I'll have 2 more buckets left to start doing this kind of thing again. And then all those lima beans are going to go in that bucket right there. So anyway, it's kind of a hazy day. It's the first day of the new year. So anyway, wanted to shoot a quick video since I was in the middle of doing this and say may God bless everybody's new year. Y'all have a great one. Shalom. I'll catch you next time.